Hi, how is it going? Today I just want to talk about nature. Nature is everything around us that makes life possible and beautiful. It includes the air we breathe, the weather we feel, the plants, animals, and everything we see outside. We call it Mother Nature because, like a mother, it provides us with everything we need, such as food, clothes, and shelter. And finally, I want to say that nature walks offer a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the beauty and interconnectedness of the natural world and is a chance to make observations. Thank you and goodbye.